How to change a flat tire as a teen driver, step by step for beginners. No experience needed. Every teen driver needs to know this before it happens to you. If you're a teen driver and you get a flat tire right now, would you know what to do? Most teens don't, and they wait 2 hours for help. I'm going to show you how to change it yourself in 15 minutes, safely, even if you've never touched a tool before. But first, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and I need you on this journey. Hit like, hit subscribe, and comment tire ready right now so I know you watched this far. I'll reply to the first 50. Last year, my friend got a flat on the way to school. What you'll learn today. 1. Safety is number 1. Most teens skip this. Before you touch anything, hazards on, parking brake on. Park on flat ground, far from traffic. If you're on a highway, call AAA or roadside. Don't risk it. Your life is more important than a tire. Put on your safety vest if you have it. Place a cone 10 feet behind you. 2. Tools, where everything is hidden. Pop your trunk. Lift the mat. Here is your secret toolkit most teens don't even know exists. Spare tire, scissor jack, lug wrench, and in some cars a wheel chock. Check your spare now, before you need it. Is it flat too? Check pressure. Also grab gloves, flashlight, and your phone. 3. The mistake everyone makes. Loosen first. This is where 90% of teens mess up and break their jack. You must loosen your lug nuts before you jack the car up. The ground gives you grip. Use your lug wrench. Turn counterclockwise, lefty-loosey. It will be hard. Use your foot for leverage, not just your arms. Just break them loose. Don't remove them yet. 4. Jacking and swapping. The scary part made easy. Find your jack point. It's in your manual, usually a little notch behind the front tire or in front of the back tire. Put your scissor jack there, flat ground, and crank slowly. Stop when the flat is just off the ground, like 1 inch. Now remove nuts all the way, grab the tire from sides, pull straight off. It's heavy. Align your spare, push on, hand tighten nuts in a star pattern. 5. Finish like a pro. Lower the car slowly till the tire touches, but full weight isn't on it. Now tighten nuts hard in the star pattern. Lower completely. Tighten again as hard as you can. Pack flat tire in trunk, tools back. Check spare pressure. Spares are only 50 miles per hour max and 50 miles. Drive straight to a tire shop. 6. What I wish someone told me at 16, 3 bonus tips. 1. Practice this in your driveway with a parent once. 2. Keep a $20 bill and a portable air pump in your trunk. 3. If lug nuts won't budge, call for help. Don't hurt yourself. And never go under a car that's only on a jack. You just learned a life skill most adults don't even know. You are officially more prepared than 90% of teen drivers. If this helped you, do me a huge favor. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to all. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, building the biggest teen life skills community. Comment, tire ready. Teen Life Toolkit gives you life skills, confidence, study hacks, mental wellness, driving tips for teens ages 13 to 18. Fathers, mothers, college students, mentors, homeschool instructors, etc. Comment, tire ready.